doing the dishes, laundry, going outside, routine, exercise, eating regular meals, throwing parties, guilt, fast food, actually doing your hair, car washes, wearing shoes, buying gas, going to the dentist, visiting parents, friends, and family, heels/dress shoes, wearing outside pants, haircuts, handshakes.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.